it up.
It feels funny. There's the bubby bottle, and he's going to eat his dinner. Eat his dinner.
Not for you to eat. Give to the. He's hungry, Mia.
Will we open the door?
He's hungry. Give him some nom.
We're just waiting.
Can you
And
feed
that
him?
smells not me, Alex. That's your daughter.
I know.
Unfortunately, I'm used to it. It's a horrible thing to say.
You got to press his tummy. You got to press him there. That's it. Feeding him.
That's great.
She doesn't want to touch him. You gonna feed him? He's hungry.
What's this?
It's you.
Press his tummy.
It's her. I'm
Push
so
his tummy. Don't do it again. Okay. Press it again.
That smell.
Yeah, but I'm waiting for it to be finished.
You didn't stop, Jay.
It's process.
Again.
No, there's a little bit.
And you prefer to keep them all spoons
Oh, you're feeding. Good.
You press it. Press him there. Say, me, I'm hungry. Oh.
That's it. He's eating.